locomotive. The locomotive or engine is always the first rail car on a train. The locomotive is the rail car that turns the wheels to pull the train along the tracks. The first locomotives were powered by steam. Steam is created when water is heated to its boiling point. In a steam locomotive, coal or wood are scooped into a firebox, which is located just behind the boiler. As the material burns, it heats the water contained in the boiler and produces the steam that powers the train. All steam locomotives have a smokestack. The boiler is where the water is stored. The firebox is located just behind the boiler. This area is called the cab. The cab is where the train engineer or driver sits. The cab contains all the controls the engineer uses to drive the train. The rail car just behind the cab is called the tender. Tender is another name for coal car. Because most steam engines are powered by coal, they carry their fuel with them. Nowadays, most locomotives have diesel engines. A diesel locomotive is powered by oil, which is used to produce electricity that in turn powers the train. Diesel engines don't have smokestacks. That's one way to tell whether a locomotive is steam or diesel powered. Can you draw a steam locomotive? Let's try. First, draw two curved lines like this, then two straight lines and one more line that's curved. Now let's add the cab and of course the engineer. Don't forget the smokestack and those wheels. And we can't go anywhere without the tender. Send your steam engine to education@sdmrm.org, and the San Diego Model Railroad Museum will share it on their Facebook page. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to give your steam locomotive a name. Follow us on YouTube and hit the subscribe button for our weekly uploads.